Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a powerful new features in ChatGPT that just dropped. MCP. If you are someone who looks for lots of files like Google Drive, Gmail, or Dropbox, this update is going to save you lots of time. MCP lets ChatGPT securely connect to your tools like Google Drive, Gmail, Outlook, and many more. That means it can search and read your files to answer questions, even summarize content or write reports for you, all without leaving ChatGPT. Okay, let me show how to go set up MCP for your ChatGPT. First, you have to go to your profile in ChatGPT, go to settings, and you find the connector on your left side. And here's lots of connectors for the ChatGPT. And for this example, I'm going to connect my Google Calendar. Click on connect, then connect to the Google and choose account, click continue and continue and done. So now ChatGPT can access your Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive directly. So for accessing, you need to go to run deep research mode, and then you'll find the connectors here: Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive. So here's my few things. MCP works in a deep research mode only. It cannot run on simple normal chat. So in deep research mode, it can take time to 10 minutes to 40 minutes depending on your complexity. But this is a huge leap for the ChatGPT. Now it's becoming our more true AI assistants. And that's all for today. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.